Today we got a real special video. Unboxing from Bullionnow. Been waiting for this package for like, what, 2 weeks?
It's our...
Got some special stuff in here. I'm so excited.
It's Bullion 77, our channel's first unboxing. First of many more to come, and I'm just so excited for this.
Been waiting.
So excited.
Oh my god, been waiting for so long to open this bad boy.
Alright, let's just begin.
Just begin it. Just cut that.
We asked for their permission and they said it's alright if we unbox it on camera. Oh my god.
Oh, that's amazing.
Starting off pretty
What's
heavy.
that? I don't even know what this is, so it's a surprise for all of us.
It looks like a kilogram bar. So I'm just going to quickly show this to the camera and then put it to the side before the end.
Oh,
okay.
wow.
So it's a kilogram bar and a tube.
Ooh. We'll have a look at the bar first.
In the middle.
Let me take this away for a sec.
So this is actually my first kilogram peppermint bar. Not my first kilogram bar, but my first kilogram peppermint.
Wow.
So it's got quite a few spots on it, but that's alright. We're going to clean that later. See, it's different from the 1 kilogram ABC.
It's much smaller than the ABC 1 kilogram, but thicker.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's thicker. 3 nines there, not the same as the 999.5 ABC Bullion has.
Wow. Beautiful.
Oh, this has got
Love
some
the
weight to
perfume.
it. 25 tube of Kangas, it looks like. Oh.
Oh my god.
There it is.
This is beautiful.
So we've got a full tube of these. Clear capsule, perf mint once again. Coins, I'm just gonna put it to the side. There it is.
Alright, we're back. Took a while to open this.
Oh, okay, I see something which I'm very excited for.
Let's move the box out of the way. Yeah, got it.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Beautiful. Take one
These
of those out.
are the 2020 Eagles. We got 10 of these. Beautiful coin. Right.
Wow.
Look
The
at that.
tamper evident case.
Yep. Oh, been taken off a little bit. Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, perfect kangaroo. Oh, okay, okay. The final is the
Wow.
maple. Stunning.
Just, oh my god.
Look at that little halo around the leaf. Canadian mint coins are just fantastic. Okay, let's take a closer look at all the coins, the bars, everything. Let's start with the Kangas. So, I know what you think, but why don't you tell the camera what you think of the Kangas, honestly?
Well, at first glance and online, I'm not a big fan of the design, especially on the back.
Right, okay.
Not a big fan of the design.
Well, like, what about it don't you like?
I'm not sure. It's just I think you could get. I think they could have just made it nicer. I'm not a big. I'm not sure how much I like all the lines. I don't know.
See, I quite like the front. the lines leading to the kangaroo. I think that looks really nice. I think the back looks a little bit tacky.
Something about it looks cheap.
but I do like the $1 denomination. So, I'll tell you why. In Australia, you're only allowed to leave the country with $10,000. So you can bring 10,000 of these. Obviously, they're not worth $10,000, but if you need to move it to another country for whatever reason, you absolutely can. Let's move on to the Krakens now.
Yeah, let's have a look at those.
Once again, clarifying, these aren't our coins, they're a client's, but they allowed us to take a look at them. Thick coin, really nice.
Compare them to just a normal 1 ounce coin. They're actually like a lower diameter.
I'll tell you what though, with the eagle, I think it's a lot bigger in diameter than a usual coin, but it's thinner.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree with that.
So you compare that to a maple.
Yeah.
Even though it's in a capsule, you can see the size difference.
Yeah, and the kangaroo looks just about...
See, the kangaroo also is quite a wide coin, I think. Don't quote me on this, but that's just what I think. I'll have to check it. Okay, let's look at the maples. Only got 3 of these. These are the first we've ever ordered, but a bit of smudging on the capsule. Oh my god.
Bullionnow packaged them in
capsules.
coin
You don't get that at
capsules.
ABC Bullion. See, we've gone to
didn't pay
ABC
for
Bullion
these.
every time before. We've never got coin capsules, so that's fantastic that they gave it to us in coin capsules. Alright, so we've taken a look at the eagles. Why don't we just take a closer look? We got 10 of these eagles. Fantastic coin. We paid a high premium for them because they're an international coin. They're not from Australia.
Yeah. On Bullionnow, you could get random year Liberty coins or
2020s and recently 2019s also.
Yeah, but the 2020s were the most expensive, but we just think it's a great year to collect coins.
Absolutely.
It's such a historic year. People are gonna look back in 50 years and see 2020, that's something I want to see on my coin.
And at the same time, it's really nice to see that 20 and 20. It looks great.
Yeah.
Kind of symmetrics wise. Alright, let's finish off. Second last thing. The Perth Mint 1 kilogram silver bar. Once again, thicker but smaller.
Yeah. Very dense bar. You can really feel the weight in your hand. It feels amazing in hand.
And then finally, the Perth Mint 1 ounce minted bar in the tamper evident case. Everything seems right on the back.
Yeah.
Love the patterning. Noah, you don't like the patterning, do you?
I'm not a big fan of the kangaroo patterning.
But you get why they have it, right?
But now I see it in person, it is beautiful.
But you get why they have that patterning on the back.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our first unboxing. Not the last, many more to come.
Yeah. Shout out to Bullionnow for the quick delivery. Once again, just amazing services. Good people.
Yeah, really
Great
appreciate
people.
the channel. Go and check it out, absolutely, if you already haven't.
Yeah, we'll leave the link down below.
Alright, so Noah, what we're going to do now, we're going to say goodbye to it all, bring it into the city, put it in storage, and only take it out in a couple months for another video.
Yeah.
It's going to hurt. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and we'll see you soon.